How to space under-cabinet spotlights.
One of the most common mistakes that people make when installing lighting in their kitchen is spacing. Put simply, spotlights should have enough space between them to not overpower the area they are lighting, but not be too far apart so that dark spots appear. So, how do you get the right balance? There are some really simple rules to follow to ensure you get this right every time. The best way to explain these is to break them down into the three most common areas for use with spotlights: under cabinets, plinths and ceilings. When it comes to under cabinet lighting, it's important to consider a few different factors, the first being corners. Corners of worktops can become extremely dark and unusable if lighting is not planned correctly. If your spacing does not consider the corners, you will not be able to make full use of this all-important surface space. Plan your lighting starting from the corners and work inwards to avoid this problem. Another important aspect of planning under cabinet spotlights is to space the lights with even and consistent distances between each fitting. As a general rule of thumb, it is good practice to have a spotlight every 500mm to ensure a great spread of light. If there is not enough distance between each light, then the effect will become too concentrated. It is also important to keep spotlights even to ensure an attractive symmetry in your kitchen. Uneven lights can look unpleasant, especially during darker parts of the day.